In the modern city of Ōita on Kyushu Island, Funai castle ruins preserve the remains of a once strategic samurai fortress. Though little of the original structure survives above ground, its layout still reflects its historic importance. The castle was originally constructed in the late 16th century during Japan's Sengoku period, a time of constant warfare between rival warlords. It was later expanded under the rule of Kobayakawa Takakage, who strengthened its role as a regional administrative center. Unlike mountain strongholds built purely for defense, Funai Castle was a flatland castle. Its design relied on moats, stone walls, and surrounding waterways to create layered protection within an urban environment. During the Edo period, the castle became the political heart of the Ōita domain. It functioned less as a battlefield fortress and more as a governing hub for local administration under the Tokugawa shogunate. Much of the castle was dismantled during the Meiji Restoration, when Japan modernized and removed many feudal structures. Fires and redevelopment further reduced what remained of its original buildings. Today, the Funai Castle ruins are preserved as a public park with restored stone walls and moats. Visitors can walk through the grounds and trace the outline of a castle that once shaped regional power in southern Japan.